News Radio WFLA Orlando and still on AM 540.
And now for our weekly look at legal issues in the news with our in-house legal expert, Attorney Tom Olson. This is Olson on Law.
Alan Spector here, and every Thursday at this time we bring you Olson on Law with veteran Orlando attorney Tom Olson. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
And they all say good morning back to you, Tom.
Hey.
Tom, we're talking about a bad word when it comes to home ownership. It's probate. Why do people want to avoid that?
People want to avoid probate because it's expensive and it takes a long time. Florida statutes recommends an attorney fee to be equal to 3% of the value of those assets that go through probate. So if we probate a $500,000 estate, Florida statutes recommends an attorney fee of $15,000, and that's a lot of money.
Yeah, sounds like a good gig, Tom. You're raking it in, aren't you? So is there a way for someone to avoid probate on their home?
Alan, we have a great tool for avoiding probate on your home. It's called a Ladybird Deed. It's a deed that I would prepare. It would state that as long as you're alive, it is your home to do with as you please. But when you pass away, your home would automatically go to your children. No headaches, no hassles, no probate.
The old Ladybird Deed, the old LDB, as we used to call it, or LBD. Where did the name Ladybird Deed come from anyway?
Well, President Lyndon Johnson was the first one to use it in favor of his wife, Lady Bird Johnson. So that's where we got the name of this deed. Well,
he used to do a lot of weird stuff, like pick up dogs by their ears and show off his surgical scars. So I'm not sure we should go with him. But anyway, the Ladybird Deed, can that only be used for your home?
No, it can be used for your home, your beach condo, your rental property, even your commercial building. So any property in Florida, we can use it.
And can you use the Ladybird Deed even if you have a mortgage on your home?
We can. We can use the Ladybird Deed even if you have a mortgage on your home. And that means that when you pass away, your kids are going to step into your shoes and keep on making your mortgage payments until they pay the mortgage off, or they sell the property and pay it off as part of that sale.
And you can thank Ladybird Johnson for your good fortune. If you have legal questions, Tom will be happy to answer them on the Olson on Law show. That is heard Saturdays at 1 p.m. here on News Radio WFLA Orlando. And we broadcast this live on Facebook. You can go back and watch it as well and see what Tom and I look like as we're batting these issues back and forth. Tom, thanks a lot. See you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olson Law Group in Orlando.